Hello, I'm Robert Sonneman. I am the founder and Chief Creative Officer of Sonneman, A Way of Light. Bringing modern design and innovation to light is exciting and creatively challenging. I have pursued that endeavor since the mid-1960s for over 5 decades. My lifelong passion for modern design is rooted in the pathos of the modern architectural movements of the early 1900s through the mid-century and into the technology-driven design of today. Our commitment to the ideal that we can always do better drives our desire to innovate, our attention to detail, and our refusal to accept nothing less than the very best. Sonneman brings illumination from the art of technology to the leading edge of possibilities, with new insight for performance and an ever-present passion for design innovation. Let us share with you some of our latest introductions and show you just a couple of the many new designs that we will be introducing over the next several months. Lighting functionality has emerged as an electronically driven phenomenon. LED technology has changed the way we design, scale, and control lighting applications. As such, we build lighting to perform across large spaces or provide unique zones of light in specifically functional ways. We call this application a layering of light that permits desired visibility of color temperature, distribution, as well as object and task illumination. We knew that to be fully capable of providing lighting devices across a broad range of applications, we would have to bring our insight to market in the form of an advanced recessed lighting program. Challenged by the opportunity to rethink and reimagine a new approach to recessed downlighting, we sought to encompass the very best features and performance possible in a unified, integrated, and modern way, introducing intervals this year. And here is Matt to show you our intervals downlights and preview some of our other new innovations.
Hi everyone, I'm Matt Sonneman, and I'm standing here in our new Intervals Recessed Downlight Lab in our New York Design Center showroom. Here we have the entire program on display, which includes 4 different aperture sizes. That includes a 1, 2, 3, and 4-inch aperture size in both square and round shapes. We have adjustable trims starting with the 2, and 3, and 4-inch aperture size, wall wash trims on the 3 and 4-inch, and decorative trims offered on our 2 and 3-inch aperture size. We designed this lab to help you find the perfect downlight solution for your space. On display, we have the entire color temperature range, which includes a 2200, 2700, 3000, 3500, and 4000 Kelvin color temperature light engine. With a view to the future and a nod to the past, we are pleased to introduce several new additions for our 2022 line. Our new mid-century modern pendants are equally at home in a residential setting as well as a restaurant, hotel, or commercial environment. First is a range of single pendants in 2 styles and various sizes that connect to the mid-century modern vision of functional simplicity. This family will be introduced in a 12, 16, and 20-inch size in both flat and dome shape with an aluminum and steel shade. Next is a series of pendants with a mid-century modern inspiration. The volume creates an interesting lighting effect as you don't see the source of light, only the reflective radiance from within, and a soft interest of a luminous flare. This family is offered in 3 styles: small, large, and tall bell pendants, all featured in aluminum shades. We developed the very first LED rings in our Corona series, utilizing a solid cast acrylic diffuser. Our new ring family embodies the essence of the frosted flat rings that surround a celestial body. The luminescence radiates from a very thin profile
of solid cast acrylic. This family features an aluminum shade with a frosted acrylic diffuser. There are 6 different styles within this family. 1 5-tier pendant, 2 3-tier pendants, and then a single pendant offered in small, medium, and large. This family can be overlaid across the space to create varying arrays of composition, equally at home in a residential, restaurant, hotel, or commercial environment. Sistema Staccato is a new system that was designed with a lightness of scale, interactive simplicity, and straightforward approach. This family features an aluminum shade and frosted acrylic diffuser. Thank you for joining us for this year's What's New, What's Next, and we look forward to hosting you in our NYDC showroom, a collaborative environment for your architectural lighting design. You can schedule your one-on-one appointment through our new website at sonnemanlight.com, and our scheduling tool is located at the bottom of the homepage. We look forward to assisting you with any of your lighting needs. Sonneman is a way of light.